Sustainable Nutrition by Health is for Life. 10. Personalized Nutrition. Welcome to Health is for Life, your ultimate destination for a healthier, happier life. Today, we dive into the revolutionary world of personalized nutrition, where eating for your unique body becomes the norm. Get ready to take your health to the next level and join us as we explore the benefits of this exciting approach to nutrition. Ready to lower your cholesterol levels? A personalized diet based on nutrient analysis could be the solution. In a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, individuals who followed a personalized diet saw a whopping 12% reduction in LDL cholesterol levels. Struggling with weight loss? A personal dietized plan may be just what you need. In a recent study, individuals who followed a diet tailored to their unique nutrient, biochemical, and lifestyle factors lost an average of 9.7 pounds more than those who followed a generic diet. With these exciting vitamin D, zinc, selenium, and vitamin C results, personalized nutrition is proving to be a game changer for improving health outcomes and aiding in weight management. What is personalized nutrition? Personalized nutrition is the tailoring of dietary recommendations to meet an individual's unique nutrient, biochemical, and lifestyle needs. This approach considers the specific responses of an individual's body to different foods and nutrients and creates a customized diet plan accordingly. Why is personalized nutrition important? Traditionally, dietary recommendations have been made for groups of people based on general guidelines, but research has shown that different individuals respond differently to the same foods and nutrients. Personalized nutrition addresses this by providing individualized recommendations based on a person's unique biology. This approach can lead to improved health outcomes, enhanced nutrient absorption, and a more effective approach to weight management and chronic disease prevention. How is personalized nutrition being applied today? Personalized nutrition is already being used in areas such as food allergies or intolerances. For example, people who are intolerant to lactose can receive personalized recommendations on alternative dairy sources that their body can tolerate better. Personalized nutrition is also being integrated into wellness programs, weight management, and sports nutrition. The future of personalized nutrition. As technology continues to advance, the field of personalized nutrition is also evolving. With the increasing availability of nutrient testing, it is becoming easier to understand an individual's unique biology and use this information to create personalized diet plans. In the near future, we can expect to see more personalized nutrition products and services that cater to individual needs and preferences. Conclusion. In conclusion, personalized nutrition is a growing field that has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach nutrition and health. By taking into account an individual's unique responses to different foods and nutrients, it can lead to improved health outcomes and a more personalized approach to dietary recommendations. Stay tuned for more updates on personalized nutrition and its impact on our health. Thank you for joining us on Health is for Life. We hope you found today's episode informative and inspiring, and that you'll come back soon to continue your journey towards a healthier, happier life. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss a chance to improve your health and well-being. Take care of yourself and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.